dey Germany here, we want know the information how they take the deport people now. May you share this video. Share this video because it will help 1 or 2 people. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about German people, for people where they deport, where they Germany here. So it got one thing when I just can discover now when I say I want to share give my people, because I know say some people come from Italy, they come Germany here, some come from Spain, some come from Greece, different places, you understand? So my people, this video when I want to do today now about our people where be said that they live for Germany here. So if you know say you come from Italy, come here, come shop at Duro, and you don't get paper again, and you don't get paper again, and they don't give you doom say you not fit stay here, you must come out. My brother, my sister, make I advise you now. If you know say they don't tell you say make you come out for here, Abeg, no wait make the fair come knock for your door before you go know say you go run. If you know say the doctor you say me you come out, Abeg come out. Italy don't good now. Italy not get not bid way fair be before again, because my friend where they there now don't tell me say Italy now they help now. They give money now to mothers. They give money to mothers according to your children now. According to how your children say many, their money can even big past Germany you now. So Italy don't good now. So if they want to deport you, say you want maybe you go back to Italy, I bet use your 2 leg, take go there back. Instead, when you go wait, when they come carry, because if you wait, when they come carry you, they'll carry you go Nigeria. Now Nigeria you prefer. I've been Italy now you prefer. So now Italy you now I mean I don't know what that place is now for now. Because I don't hear the information. Now say make I can't tell you now. So if you know, say you dey here, and they don't give you doom say come out for our country here. No wait when they come carry you. If they say you go back to Italy, I would have preferred you to go back by yourself. Not wait for them, because I don't see men the way be say when they come here, then they say they must come out. You understand? They so not agree come out. They can't told them go Italy back. I don't see people where be say they tell say come out. You go say no, you know what come out until they can't told them. E get one wey me know that time. They tell her say you must come out. She said no. Now they give her the deadline. Say the day when they go come carry you. Now they to Ghana choose that way you go do, or you by yourself come out. So this woman take run fast pick race. And so it take run. And so it take pick race, my people. And so it take go back to Italy by itself with 6 children. So if you know say they say me you come out, I better not wait for them, because if they come carry now German the vest. German the vest now. They deport anyhow now. They deport anyhow. Now they hear me? They deport anyhow. No wait, make it fair reach your door before you know say you go run. No. No wait. Hey. No say if they tell you something, not the year. Until when you go come say, they say, they be tell me, lady J be talking, I know hear Mona share the video. If you see share the video, go see help 1 or 2 people. But if you not share and you don't keep it to yourself, my dear, you are not helping anybody. You are not helping anybody. You understand? So if you know, say you did that situation now, you don't get paper for Germany here, and they say you go back to Italy, I bet. Go, my brother or sister. They help. Now Italy doesn't do okay now. Italy not build way before again. You must not stay Germany here. If you say they say me you not dey here, my dear, come out, me you not dey here, can't go deportation. At the end, you can't regret your life when you don't see yourself for a car. So as I hear the story today say Italy doesn't dey okay. Now I say make I can't see tell my ogbonge people, you understand? Because Germany now they vest now for people will be say some people go just dey here, nothing. They are not doing anything. It's like they are just wasting their time here. So they want to carry people come out now. You understand? I every year say somebody will even get paper not work for 10 years. They say they not go renew a document for them again because you know, work, you dey here for 10 years. You understand? And if you don't take for job center, they are wahala. If they did too much, they'll come, they cut your money anyhow. So if you don't say you did this country and you get opportunity to work, I bet go work. Go work. Work good, well. Work good, well, like seriously. Go work good, well. So if you dey here say you know they do anything, you know they work. Now only government they give you money, my dear. Me, you not go see yourself for where you don't expect. You understand? So now what I just got to come tell you and I with this one. So if you know say they say may you come out, no wait. That's why I talk and reach. Thank you, my people. Please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
Boy, this is sad though. Honestly, this is sad. This is sad. It's sad. What's going on in this country now? What's going on in this country? What is going on in this country? I don't understand. Nigeria used to be very peaceful. Very, very peaceful. I remember those days when we were kids. This country was, what's going on? How can you open fire on unarmed citizens? Waiting, unarmed innocent worshippers inside church. What did they happen? What's going on? Like seriously, what's going on? I don't understand. Every day we talk about the killings going on in this country, nothing is being done. What's going on? Killings are happening in the north, killings are happening in the south, east, west, everywhere. Killing, kidnapping, human life doesn't mean anything anymore. What's going on? What's going on? I don't understand. We don't get government again. Don't we have, where is the government? What's going on? Nigerians are being killed like flies. For hours, people dey inside church, killing people and no police, nothing. They just finish and they walk away. No be human life, no be people then they kill. No be people then they kill. It can be anybody. Is these people today? It can be anybody tomorrow. What is going on? We can't continue like this. Everybody is concerned about elections. If they kill us finish, who will go govern? If they kill everybody, who will go govern? Who will remain? What is going on? Don't be human beings that they kill. I don't understand. I don't understand. Don't be people that they kill. And people are buying forms, 100 million. Everybody they buy form. What's going on? If you put all this money together, is it not enough to secure this country? All of them will get this 100 million and buying forms. If you put all this money together, is it not enough to secure this country? Is it not enough? Is it not better to secure the country first? What's going on? Secure the lives of your citizens. Kidnappings, killings going on everywhere, all parts of the country. Nobody is safe. It can be anybody tomorrow. You know they taught you now. Honestly, politicians are not, they taught you now. People in government, Nigerian government, this thing doesn't touch you people. What's going on? If they kill all of us finish, who will remain? This is why people are running away from this country. Will you blame them? Go to embassies. Every foreign embassy, any country at all, people want run come up from Nigeria. You go blame them? Will you blame them? You won't blame them. What's going on? We can't continue like this. This thing can happen to anybody. We can't even go to church again to worship. I mean, when things are so messed up, this country right now, things are messed up. People just go to church, to worship God and get some kind of relief from there and believe that things will get better. You enter inside church, people enter, kill people, mess up the church with blood. What's going on? What's going on? My condolences. I send my condolences to the families of the of the people who were killed in this Ondo terrorist attacks. I send my condolences to the families. Please take heart. Government, do something. Nigerian government, do something. Secure your citizens. Go after the people who are doing these things. Go after the people who are killing innocent people, kidnapping, killing everywhere. We do bad things, say we be Nigerians. Go after these people. Go after these people. Forget election. Waiting be election. Waiting be election. No be human beings when I go lead. If they kill all of us, who go remain where I go lead? Who go remain? Huh? In this life? No now. Nigerian government, do something. It can be anybody. It can be anybody. If you reach una tomorrow, it can be anybody. Nigerian government, do something about this, please. Go after the stop these killings and kidnappings. Stop these terrorists.